Hello friends! Today we are going to winterize and store the Porsche. I bought this car over the summer, drove it home from Minneapolis over Father's Day 2021, and it's kind of the first car I've ever had to put into storage. She has summer tires on, and I don't have a big driveway or a garage, unfortunately. So for this winter, I've decided to tuck her away so that I can kind of make plans for the next season. And admittedly, I find vacuuming to be a really defeating process. I'm just using my home vacuum because I don't really have another one that's like for the car, and it's really not that good, to be honest. So if you have any suggestions on a vacuum that works really well for car carpeting, that would be amazing, because I pretty much just flounder around with the little stick attachment and pray. So now we're gonna wipe down the inside. Alright, so we washed the car at the local car wash. I'm sure they were really excited about me using their bay for a long time, but I don't have a lot of water pressure at my house, so if I want to do a good wash, it has to happen there. I'm following a list that Porsche itself has put out. So for winterizing your car, I think some of it is a little crazy. I'm not going to do everything. I'm just gonna wing it, flying by the seat of my pants here. But some things are really easy, so why not do them? So gotta try our best, and hopefully in the spring we'll be good to go. So we have to drive an hour and a half to the garage that she's going to stay in. Alright, so we're here in Whitehaven, and the Porsche is put away in the garage right over here. My dad's friend is keeping it for me for the winter, and that's really, really awesome and generous of him. So here the Porsche sits for the winter. We are in the garage with the car cover on. So she's going to chill here for the next few months. We've got car cover on, obviously. We've got some aluminum foil in the tailpipes. I have no idea if they get mice here, but he said maybe a chance. So there's also Irish Spring soap on the inside and in the frunk. We've got our battery tender going. We've got the frunk lifted so that if the battery does go or something happens, I'll still be able to access it. Read about that online. Don't want to get into that little trouble. And we got the car cover. Oh, and there's cardboard underneath the windshield wipers, and the windows are down a few centimeters, not put pressure on the seals. So I'm sure that all of this is not needed and maybe too much, but it's my first year winterizing her, so we'll see what happens.